Hi sir, our next lesson for today naman po ay Lesson 8 Variations and Sequences. Ayan sir, let's have an example na po agad sir. Ito po yung ating example sa ating sequence. Write the first four terms of the sequence defined by the formula. Ayan. an equal to 3n minus 7. Ito po yung ating formula sir, yung 3n minus 7. Kaya mangyayari po niya sir, i-distribute lang po natin si n dahil hinahanap po natin yung first four terms. Bale, yung n natin sir magiging magiging 4. Ayan, yung 4 na yan sir. 3 times 1, ito yung first term. 3 times 1 minus 7 is equal to negative 4. 3 times 2 yung ating second term. Minus 7 is equal to negative 1. 3 times 3 yung ating third term. Minus 7 is equal to 2. Yung ating last term naman po is yung ating 4 terms. Fourth terms ay 3 times 4 minus 7 is equal to 5. Ayan, ito na po yung ating final answer sir, yung ating negative 4, negative 1, and 2, and 5 dahil ang pinapahanap lang naman po niya ay yung ating first fourth term. Ayan, maraming salamat sir sa pakikinig at hanggang dito na lang po yung ating lesson sir. Maraming salamat.